I'm going to share with you my strategy for making any goal, no matter how crazy, no matter how big, no matter how impossible, seem really doable and actually not that hard. What's up guys, Darius here back with another video, and today I want to share my strategy that I use to make any of my goals seem not so intimidating and actually pretty doable, pretty achievable, and how you can too. But of course, before we get into that, if you get any value from this video whatsoever, please consider giving it a big thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, because I do upload every so often, and whenever I do upload, I try to give you guys as much value as I can in a YouTube video. So, goals. Everybody has them. Some have them big, some have them small. It really depends on the person, the culture, how good they feel about themselves, how good they feel about the world, how much they can think they can ever achieve. Because if you don't think that you can achieve much, you're not really gonna set high goals for yourself. Whatever the case may be, whatever the type of person that you are, one thing is clear. Everybody has some sort of goals, whether big or small. And today, I want to share with you my strategy for taking those big goals, those really hard to reach, those goals that seem impossible, and making them seem very achievable and very doable. Not only is this strategy going to help you actually get to work by giving you motivation, but it's also going to help you keep yourself accountable each and every single day so that you know that each and every single day you're doing the right thing that you're supposed to be doing to eventually get to your goal. So here's the strategy. No matter the goal, whether it is to get 1 million subscribers, if you're on this channel, you probably are a YouTube creator, you probably want YouTube subscribers. That's one type of goal that you can have. You can have a financial goal to make a 6-figure income each and every single year, or you might just want to save enough to travel for a whole year. Whatever the case might be, whatever the goal that you have, whatever the number or the thing that you want, break it down into something you can do each and every single day. And here's what I mean. Let's take these subscribers as an example. Let's say that you want 1 million subscribers and you've given yourself the deadline to have that in 3 years. 3 years seems pretty reasonable to get 1 million subscribers if you're very good at what you're doing. It's certainly not impossible, like people have done it. Now 3 years, if you do the math, that's 1,095 days. So you have 1,095 days to get 1 million subscribers. If you divide 1 million by 1,095, you get 913. That's your number. That's how many subscribers you have to get each and every single day to be able to eventually get to 1 million subscribers in 3 years' time. Now, suddenly, 1 million subscribers doesn't seem all that intimidating, does it? You only have to get 913 each and every single day. Sure, that's a lot, but you have a goal of getting 1 million subscribers. That's a lot too. So obviously, you're gonna have to get a lot of subscribers each and every single day. But it's a lot easier, at least in my opinion, to get and to focus on 913 each and every single day than it is to focus on the $1 million number in 3 years, right? Not only is it a big number that seems unreachable, but you're also giving yourself 3 years time to procrastinate as much as you want. But if you have a goal that's 913 each and every single day, then you can't really procrastinate because you have to get that each and every single day. And that's when you would go and start researching what kind of videos, what kind of channels would get you that amount of subscribers each and every single day. What strategy would you have to implement? What type of videos? How would you adapt your videos? How would you get into the market? How would you fit into the market? These are all factors that you have to research. But now that you have your number, it's much more easily quantifiable. You know that, okay, if you got 500 subscribers one day, you know that you're about 413 off. If you got 1,500 subscribers in a day, then you know that you're well above your goal. You're sort of keeping yourself accountable each and every single day for everything that you do, and you're able to take that number and find, through research, ways that are going to get you to that number. Another example would be if you want to have a 6-figure income. Sure, for a lot of people, 6 figures seems like a lot. You need to make that each year. But once again, if you break it down per month, if you do the math, it's about $8,333 each and every single month. And that per day gives you $277 each and every single day. Now, once again, $277 each and every single day does not seem that intimidating as it seems to get a 6-figure income. A 6-figure income seems, once again, unreachable, unattainable, but $277 each and every single day, that's pretty doable. Like, you can once again go out, research what ways of making money can get you to that. How much do you have to spend? How much revenue do you have to get in so that your net profit is $277 each and every single day? You would do your research, you would do the math, you would break it down to each and every single day how you would get to that goal, and you would have a number. Like, it wouldn't seem that much intimidating. And once again, if one day you make only $100, then you know that that day was a bad day and that you have to make up for it in the subsequent days. If you have a day where you've made $500, that's good. First of all, take whatever you did that day and try to replicate it each and every single day, but also understand and keep yourself accountable and know that that day was a day that you were ahead of your goal, and you have to keep that up so that you eventually reach higher than your goal. This is the only way that you are going to get to your goals. I mean, goals are hard. Like, people set big goals for themselves, but they never want to actually work for them, nor do they have a proper strategy to work for those goals. And you're never going to reach a goal if you just say, I want $1 million, I want 1 million subscribers, and not have an actual plan that you can do each and every single day to get to that goal. I always say in all of my videos that the purpose of life, if you want to be successful, if you want to have good things in life, you need to be able to have a goal, and you need to be able to map each action that you do every single day, have it mapped to that end goal. Each and every single day, you need to be doing something that puts you closer to that goal. And if you want to take it further, use the advice that I gave in this video. Break your goal down into things that you need to do each and every single day, so that you know what today you have to do. And if you don't get it, then you know you have to work harder the next day to get it. So this was my advice for you guys. If you've enjoyed it, please do leave me a comment. Actually, what are your goals, and first of all, how do your goals look on a global scale, on a long-term scale, on a very, very large, long-distant future scale? But also leave me a comment how you can break it down into something that you can do each and every single day, and how your goal would look on a day-by-day basis, right? Like I gave the example of 1 million subscribers. It looks like 913 subscribers each and every single day. What does that look for your goal? Please do leave me a comment. I would love to read and answer them all. And I guess that's it for this video. My name has been Darius. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I will see you all in another video. Peace.